Guys, what is up? It is Links Rolf here. Welcome back to another video, another vlog. Today's vlog, like I promised, would be me going to my birthday party with all my friends. So, currently it is 12:45, and they should be here in about 15 minutes. So, and they've all been in videos before. So, yeah, I want to show you something really quickly. It's kind of funny, but I actually got a different camera. So I don't have the T6 right now. I actually have a different one that has a mic input, because apparently the T6 doesn't have a mic input and you're spending $450. So right now I actually have a mic on the top. That's why it sounds better, so you guys can hear the test right there. So I'm going to show you the new camera I got. So here is the setup here. It's the Canon SX60HS PowerShot SX60HS with the flip screen, so I can see you guys, and then, or I can see what I'm seeing. Why did I see you guys? And then it's got a really good zoom, so the optical zoom is amazing on this thing. It can go 65 times optical zoom with 1080p at 60 FPS. And crap, my battery is dying, but also we have a mic on the top here. It's the, what is it? It's the Insignia shotgun mic. It's really nice. So yeah, let's go have some birthday fun, guys. Okay, we're at Pizza
Who's gonna hold it when you go on like different rides?
Mr. Dad. We're at the pizza machine. That's Dad. Welcome. That's Liam. Say hi, Liam. Christian. You've seen all of them before. He was in the Never Have I Ever. He was in a lot of things. You were in the hotel vlog when we went to Canada. And yeah, so yeah, we're at the pizza machine and we're gonna do some rides. Hopefully I don't get kicked out for filming. I probably will though. So yeah, we're gonna get the ultimate pack up here, the expensive one. Liam, Christian thinks he's funny. But then when I turn the camera, he just like goes dead serious because he's shy. He's gun shy, so yeah, I'm probably gonna get kicked out, but don't touch my mic.
Both of your shoes are tied.
And link tag.
No, look at that.
It doesn't mean that it's not tied.
Hold this.
Here is Jonah on the spin-a-wheel. Here he goes. There he goes. Good chance he's probably going to get sick after this one. There he goes in the fluorescent green shirt. And here he comes again. We're slowing down. I'm getting sick just looking at it. Yeah. Don't be scared. Hey, Jonah, scream!
Sup guys, I am sabotaging his vlog.
You don't even have my mic on. Oh,
Yeah, I do! Boom in your face.
Wait, are you actually recording?
Yes.
It's a good thing I can edit and not
Yes.
put it in. Ew!
No, you're putting this in.
It says who?
The obviously.
Wait, 1 second. Just I'm gonna your bowl back to you, but.
Oh, I like this.
Let me see if it's like legit slime. It might be messy.
We're 30.
Oh no, I know what kind of slime this is. Be careful. You might spill.
Here's
Camera.
ow.
It might, but it won't get in the way.
What?
Like jump throw. Oh crap. Okay, that's like grayish on. Here, you go over there.
I'm more energetic.
Go juggle. That's some clutch catches. He's gonna be running a while. Get it, Jonah! Oh crap! No!
Okay guys, so that's a wrap on today's vlog. So basically, we just played some went on the trampoline you guys saw and just played outside, and then everyone left, and I actually just went to Target because this is a little bit of a reveal, but I'm going to be going to camp for the next week until July 2nd, so I won't be able to film for a whole week. So if I'm not uploading for a whole week, it's because I'll be at camp. So yeah, we just went to Target and bought some things for me because we're gonna go on like a 3.5 hour trip. So I actually bought one for a giveaway. So guys, I got a fidget spinner here from Target. It's a pretty high quality spinner in my opinion. It has a really cool design on it. So it's like this here. Here's the back. So all you guys have to do to enter to win this spinner here with the cool design. I don't know what it is. It just looks really nice. Like I was saying, I guess I just might as well give it away in this video. All you have to do is like this video, click that red subscribe button down below, and comment done, or just type fidget spinner, and you're automatically entered. I will pick a random comment whenever I get back from camp in around a week or so. I'm leaving. It's Saturday, and I'm gonna leave on Monday, and I don't think I'm gonna make a video tomorrow. So, yeah, guys, so basically this might be my last video for a while. So yeah, make sure, like I said, like this video, subscribe, and please be honest, because I'm gonna check my subscribers and see if you guys are in there before I pick a winner, and then just say fidget spinner or done. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog, birthday vlog. If you want more vlogs with the new camera that I got, leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in about a week. So it's gonna be a while, but till then I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out, guys.